So you're on your favorite streaming device, maybe your Firestick, Android TV, or maybe a laptop or a PC. You're just trying to run a quick speed test, but as you can see, these websites are just plagued with so many adverts, so many pop-ups, so many things just getting in the way. Or maybe you're trying to read the news. Again, I'm trying to scroll through, but all these things on the left, on the right, on the top, we have video-based adverts, we have this flashing stuff. It just makes the browsing experience really poor, and it also slows down your device, particularly the low-powered ones like the Fire Sticks, like some of the cheaper Android TV devices, because your device is so busy trying to load the adverts, it can really just grind your device to a halt. Now the great thing is there's a brand new feature built into the latest version of IPVanish, which automatically blocks these adverts, automatically blocks these trackers, and it even stops malicious activity like malicious trackers, like malicious pop-ups, things that can really affect your device. All of them are now automatically blocked by this brand new feature, which is available across all devices that support IPVanish. So your Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, tablets, computers, all of them can take advantage of this brand new feature. Now the great thing is, as we can see here, on my Windows PC, and I will jump over to my 3rd generation Fire TV Cube in just a second. To activate this feature, it's literally just turning on a checkbox or turning on this box here. So if I disconnect from my VPN, that's now disconnected. If I now turn on the threat protection, which we can see says there that blocks all adverts, all trackers, malicious websites, whenever your VPN is connected. I know most of you do typically browse with the VPN on, whether you're using your third-party streaming applications or looking at third-party streaming websites. Most of you already have the VPN on. And once you now enable this feature, which I've done now, click on connect. That should really prevent any of those pop-ups or adverts from ever loading again. So let's now test that in real time. Say, for example, we can see the speed test website. Let's now refresh the page. I'm hoping all of these annoying adverts just like that have now automatically disappeared, and I will do a speed test in just a second to see does this impact my VPN speed. Over here where we're trying to read the news, if I now refresh this page, I can see straight away where previously adverts were loading on the top and on the side, and none of those adverts now are loading. You can still see a box where it will try to load, but those adverts have now been squashed. Similarly on this actual test websites where before we were seeing advert after advert, advert on the side, all of these adverts here. If I now do a quick refresh, and in less than a few seconds, you can see now guys, no more adverts are loading again. So it really is a fantastic feature, works out the box, one click, and say goodbye to all of the adverts on all of your devices. Now let's see how this impacts my speed, because you can see my VPN is connected. If I click on go, let's see what kind of speeds we can get with this latest generation of IPVanish. And we can see in a couple of seconds, I can ignore that pop-up, and we are easily pushing over 290 or so meg downstream. That's working great. And upstream is, my upstream only goes up to 100 meg anyway, so we're getting nearly half of that. That's working great. Let's now look at this feature on my 3rd generation Fire TV Cube. And guys, let me just quickly do the quick draw for the Kinhank G1 Android TV box. A really special box, lots of great features, 4 gigs RAM, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, lots of great things. And I did say that there'll be 2 up for grabs with this competition. So I can see there was about, I think 1,400 people that entered with 5,000 different entry options, like, following me on Twitter and all the other stuff. So let's just see now quickly who won the competition. So let's pick those 2 winners now. So draw winners, and let's click on draw. Okay, so the winners are Steve O'Brien and Mike Snade. So well done to you two. You have 7 days to contact me with that email address that you've entered in the competition. Use that to contact me on my email address that you'll get from my about page, and I'll send out those prizes to you. If you don't contact me within 7 days, then I will pick another winner. But again, congratulations to both of you on winning a superb Android TV streaming box. So open up a very popular streaming application. I'm navigating around. I choose something to watch. Let's say now, for example, I change my mind. I press back on the remote. And what do I see? A full screen advert. This video based, I think it's promoting some game. but it's like, I think 20 seconds long, 30 seconds long. I can't skip it. And it's just very, very frustrating. Most of the third-party streaming applications have these kind of adverts. Either they are video-based like this, or you may see the smaller banner ads at the bottom when you're trying to watch or stream something. Let's open up IPVanish. Let's go over to the settings. I can now scroll down. And let's now turn on the threat protection. And this should now automatically block all of those adverts, all of those pop-ups, all of those malicious tracking cookies, malware. All of those things will now automatically be blocked on my streaming device. Let's make a connection again. We are now connected. Let's go back to the streaming application. Streaming applications work fine with the VPN on, and it is something that I do recommend that if you're going to be accessing certain content, it is always advisable to use a VPN. So I can now click on things. I can see links. I can see episodes. I can try one of these links. Click on play. That's working fine. I can press back again. No adverts, no pop-ups. Let's try one more thing. So clicking on another popular show, I see links again. I can click on that, click on play, no pop-ups, no adverts, no banner ads, nothing like that. Again, I can press back again, and we can see we have no more of those pesky interruptions. Now, the great thing is, not only can you get this amazing feature, right now there's a super special offer just for the next 2 weeks for a superb price of just $2.75 per month. So really at that price point to get total protection, keep yourself safe online, get maximum privacy, nobody can track you, your ISP can't see what you're doing, you can download content, you can stream content, you can take advantage of this new advanced threat protection. To get all of that at under $3 a month, I definitely think this special offer is worthwhile checking out. It is only there for the next 2 weeks. Using my link does help support my channel and my work, so many thanks if you want to do that. Have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.